Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your company name in Indeed. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is type in the URL www.indeed.com in a web browser of your preference, which will then redirect you to its homepage. So now there's just one way to change your company's name. So all you need to do is click on the help center option. So once you click on it, you can get three options where you need to click on the send message option, which will then redirect you to this kind of page. Now simply in the subject, you need to type in change company name, and in the message you need to type in why and how are you trying to change your company's name in Indeed. So lastly, you need to click on send and you can change your company's name on Indeed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.